He has done great things. God has done great things. He has done great things. God has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his holy name. Indeed, God has done great things for me. And my heart is so glad. I'm so grateful to God for this wonderful thing he has done. I want to bless God for this new washing machine God has given to me. Indeed, stress has been relieved. Stress is off me. Stress is off me, honestly. So today I'll be unboxing my brand new LG Smart Inverter washing machine, top loader, 8 kg to be precise. So welcome back to this amazing video. Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Let me start by saying that this is a great investment for any household, especially busy and hardworking people like me. This washes clothes automatically, saving time and energy. It saves time and energy. My laundry experience has really changed overnight since the arrival of this machine, honestly. Maka na-ejikwe na afụfụ anyị isi. Onwere onye bụ Job na Bible. So if you have the means, you better go for it, because stress kills. Washing clothes is my hobby. I enjoy washing clothes, especially with hands. But as a mother with kids, water don't pass garri, I no do again. The stress no be here. That thing that I normally enjoy doing has now turned to stress, because you have duvet to wash, bed sheets, uniforms, house clothes, and these boys can play. So right now the engineer is here trying to install the washing machine. Yeah, I think he's done over here. We have positioned the washing machine where it will be. Here I came to do market survey. I'm at Spa right now to check out the current prices of washing machine and different brands, and again to possess my washing machine. No money, no plan of buying, but just to come check it out. Remember, the Bible says, wherever the sole of our feet shall touch, she will give it unto us. So I came to possess my washing machine by faith. It's funny, right? I understand. Don't forget, God uses the foolish things of the world to conform the wise. And finally, God made it possible. God made it possible. I now have a brand new washing machine. Although this is my second time of buying a washing machine. The first one spoiled about 4 months ago. And that was Bosch. It's a Japan product. Very strong. We have been using it since 2017 till this 2014. It really lasted. Well, we really enjoyed it. But recently the thing now spoiled, and getting the parts here in Nigeria is so rare and so expensive that we now decided to. In fact, God made it possible. Let me not. No long talk. It's God. It's God. It's God. It's just God in the equation. And may God continue to bless the vessel that He used in making this possible. Before He calls, God will always answer. More blessings, more increase in sound health. So this is me pouring in dirty clothes into this washing machine. It choke. It really choke, because I have so many dirty clothes to wash. So many clothes. to wash. In fact, the laundry basket is already filled with dirty clothes. Thank God there is light, and I'll be washing all of these clothes today. So let's see how it works. As you can see, everything here is totally different from the last one I've used. I've never used LG, like I said before. This is my first time of using LG washing machine. The last one I used was Bosch from Japan, and the settings is totally different from this one. So as you can see, I'm learning how to use this one. Just trying my luck, and finally, bam, the thing works. And because this is smart inverter washing machine, it doesn't consume more energy. It is energy saving. Even when the light is low, when there is low current, you can still wash, make use of this washing machine. Even with your generator, you can still operate this washing machine. That's one thing I love about it. And for the fact, like they said, though I've not, it's my first time of using it. Today is officially my first time of using it. From the carton and even from the washing machine, they say it has 10 years warranty. If you know about this LG washing machine, comment. Let me see your comment in the comment section if it's actually 10 years warranty, because that's what I'm seeing right here. It says smart inverter 10 years warranty. Please, if this is true, I believe it will be true. LG is trusted and proven. LG, life is good. And happy new month to you all. Glorious things are spoken of you this month. This is our month of back-to-back celebrations. And if you have watched to this very point, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, comment, like, and put on your notification button so that you can be notified when next I post. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Enjoy your holiday. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you later. And I love the fact that this is a top loader. Even when there is no water, we usually have water in this house. But in case, whenever there is no water, you can pour in your dirty clothes and pour in water from top. That's one thing I love about top loader instead of those round ones and the ones in the middle. I prefer top loader because if there is no water, you can as well wash. You can pour in water and wash your dirty clothes. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all, and please don't forget to subscribe. Support your baby girl now. See you in my next one. Bye.